So do you also run Google Ads to generate new leads for your business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand how to create Google Ads leads as AWeber subscriber. So I'm an owner of a digital marketing agency and I'm running Google Ads for my business. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through my Google Ad, then automatically that lead should be added as a subscriber in my AWeber account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Google Ads with my AWeber account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So as the owner of a digital marketing agency, I run Google Ads campaigns to generate leads for my business. So by integrating Google Ads with AWeber, I can automatically add potential clients who submit their contact information through my ads, such as those requesting a free consultation or more information about my services, directly to my AWeber email list. This allows me to immediately follow up with the personalized email, share case studies, and offer special promotions, helping me convert these leads into paying clients while automating my lead nurturing process and saving time. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Google Ads with my AWeber account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically, like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as create Google Ads leads as AWeber subscriber, and then here it is asking me to select the folder. So here in the left side corner of this dashboard you can see a folder section under which you can see all the folders which I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So here in this particular case I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. So now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and by clicking on this it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Google Ads, as I am receiving new leads through Google Ads. So Google Ads is an online advertising platform where businesses can create ads that appears on Google search results and other websites. People use Google Ads to promote their products or services because it helps them reach potential customers right when they are searching for something similar. So here in my Google Ads trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead form entry, so that whenever we're going to receive new leads through our Google Ads, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here after selecting my trigger event, you can see we have received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. So I'm following the instructions given below. Firstly, here I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my Google Ads account. So this is my Google Ads account, and here I've created a test campaign with the name new campaign. And here under new campaign, I'm going to create a test lead form by clicking on this lead forms button given over here. And here under add a lead form to your campaign, I'm going to create a new test lead form for this particular automation. So here you can see it is asking me some details over here. So here for the business name, I'm going to enter the business name as ABC Company. Moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the field. So here I'm going to select the name, and for the name I'm going to select first name and last name, phone number, email, city. So these are the particular fields that I want to select. Scrolling a little down, here this work information is not required field, so here I'm not going to select any of these. And here you can see a test form that we are going to generate over here. So I'm going to scroll it little down, and here after scrolling little down, you can see we have received the option for lead delivery over here. So I'm going to click it over here, and here under lead delivery option, you can see we have received the option for webhook integration. And here under webhook integration, it is asking me to enter the webhook URL. So here in this webhook URL field, I need to enter the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. So this is the webhook URL, and here for the key, I'm going to give a name to my key, that is test key over here. So here I've successfully entered the board details, and now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the send test data given over here. So by clicking on this particular option over here, I'm going to receive a test response for this lead form in my Pabbly's workflow, that means to this webhook URL. So here by receiving the test response, we are going to set up this automation further. But if you're running live Google Ads, then you will receive the live lead data. So I'm going to click on the send test data, and here you can see it says test data sent. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the city. Here you can see the email, phone number. Scrolling little down, here you can see the first name value as first name and last name value as last name, and some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead through our Google ad, then automatically I want to add that lead received as a new subscriber in my AWeber account. So for that, I need to connect my AWeber with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as AWeber. So AWeber is an easy to use email marketing tool designed to help businesses connect with their audience. It lets you create newsletters, automated emails, and sign up forms without needing technical skills. So here in my AWeber action step, I'm going to select my action event as add or update a subscriber, so that whenever we're going to receive new leads through our Google ad, then automatically the lead is going to add as a subscriber in our AWeber account. I'm now here to connect my AWeber with Pabbly Connect. Here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your AWeber account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with AWeber. And here you can see Pabbly Connect is requesting for the access. And here for the access, it is asking me to enter the login name and the password. So here you can see the login name and password has already been pre-filled over here. As here I'm already logged in my AWeber account. So now I'm going to click on this allow access and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the account ID. So here this account ID is already been selected over here for my AWeber account, and then here it is asking me to select the list ID. So here in this list ID field, I need to select the list ID under which I want to add the new subscribers. So here I've only created a single list in my AWeber account with the name subscribers list. So I'm going to select that particular list only, and then here it is asking me to enter the full name, email, and some other details. So now here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that whenever we're going to receive new lead form entry through our Google Ads, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to search for the name. So here, as you know, that I have received the value for the first name as first name and last name value as the last name. So here I'm going to map that only. First name space then the last name. Moving forward, here for the email, I'm going to search for the email. So this is the test response. So this is the test email that we have received. Moving forward, update existing. So for that, I'm going to select yes. Here this tags and other fields are not required fields. So here I'm going to leave it blank. Here for the mobile number, I'm going to map the mobile number. So this is the mobile number that we have received. And here for the city, I'm going to map the city. So this is the city. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see after clicking on the save and send test request, we have received an error response. And here in this error message it says, email address blocked, please refer to this particular link. So here the email address is blocked over here. That is because here we are using a test email. So here to get the particular response, what we need to do is that we need to use the original live email over here. So here for the email, I'm going to enter the email manually for the setup of this automation. So here we are going to enter the email as dummy@pabblytudes.com. So here I've used a live email over here. Moving forward, and then I'm going to click on this save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new subscriber and AWeber account for the new lead received through our Google Ads. So now let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new subscriber and AWeber account with the name, first name and last name. Here you can see the email as dummy@pabblytudes.com. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Google Ads and our action as AWeber, so that whenever we're going to receive new leads through our Google Ads, then automatically the lead received is going to add as a subscriber in our AWeber account. Okay, so these were the steps to how to create a Google Ad leads as a AWeber subscriber. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.